Dr. Vincent J. Felitti is Partner Emeritus at SCPMG, Kaiser Permanente, an internist, founding chairman of the Department of Preventive Medicine at SCPMG in San Diego, and clinical professor of medicine at the University of California. He was recently selected as Top Clinical Professor of the Year for 2020 by the International Association of Top Professionals, IAOTP, for his outstanding leadership and commitment to the healthcare industry. With over 50 years of professional experience as a renowned and trusted physician of internal medicine, Dr. Felitti has certainly proven himself as an extraordinary professional and expert in the field. He is a dynamic, results-driven leader who has demonstrated success not only as a clinical professor of medicine at the University of California, but in every medical position he has held. Dr. Felitti's key areas of expertise are significantly biopsychosocial and include childhood trauma, the genetic disease, hemochromatosis, and obesity. Dr. Felitti's impressive repertoire of prior roles include founder of the Department of Preventative Medicine for Kaiser Permanente in San Diego and the Chief of Preventative Medicine for over 25 years. His revolutionary leadership there provided comprehensive medical evaluations to more than 1.1 million individuals, and his health risk abatement programs incorporated weight loss, smoking cessation, stress management, and a wide range of cutting-edge efforts to reduce patient risk factors. He was also the co-principal investigator of the internationally recognized Adverse Childhood Experience (ACE) study. Dr. Felitti has served on advisory committees at the Institute of Medicine and the American Psychiatric Association. He is a former member of the National Academy of Sciences Institute for the Medicine Gulf War Committee and the Department of Health and Human Services Advisory Committee on Women's Services. Dr. Felitti was an expert reviewer for the Medical Board of California. Before embarking on his professional career path, Dr. Felitti was inspired to pursue his interests in medicine by physicians in his family. He obtained a bachelor's degree from Dartmouth College in 1956 and completed graduate studies in bacteriology at the University of Minnesota in 1958. After he achieved his medical degree from Johns Hopkins University in 1962, he also became a fellow of the American College of Physicians. Dr. Felitti served as a captain in the Medical Corps of the United States Army from 1963 to 1965 and worked as a post surgeon at the U.S. Army Pine Bluff Arsenal in Arkansas. From 1965 to 1967, he returned to Johns Hopkins for a fellowship in medicine, and from 1967 to 1968 was a senior resident of medicine with the University of Maryland Hospital. Throughout his career, Dr. Felitti has received numerous awards, accolades, and has been recognized worldwide for his outstanding leadership and commitment to the healthcare industry. This year, he is being considered for a front cover feature in TIP, Top Industry Professionals magazine, and will be honored as Top Clinical Professor of the Year at IAOTP's annual awards gala in New York City at the Plaza Hotel. For 2021, he will be considered for the Lifetime Achievement Award and Top Doctor of the Decade by the International Association of Top Professionals, IAOTP. Dr. Felitti won the Botany Prize from Dartmouth College. He has been featured in various editions of Who's Who in America and Who's Who in Science and Engineering and Continental Who's Who for many years. In addition to his successful career, Dr. Felitti is a widely known and sought-after speaker who has traveled the world and educated audiences and various policy leaders about his research. As a prominent medical expert, Dr. Felitti uses his knowledge to speak out against domestic violence and other forms of childhood traumas. He is an important voice who advocates for the well-being of children globally. His years of research as a medical expert helps audiences understand physical and mental traumas and how they can prevent them. Dr. Felitti also served as senior editor of the Permanente Journal and authored over 150 peer-reviewed articles. Looking back, Dr. Felitti attributes his success to the support of his family and to his father and grandfather, who were both physicians. His education, passion for research, and mentors he has had the privilege of working alongside have given him the drive to succeed. When not working, he enjoys traveling and spending time with his family. For the future, he hopes to continue making a positive impact for future generations of children and to raise awareness of the effects of adverse childhood experiences on subsequent mental health and biomedical disease. For more information on Dr. Vincent Felitti, please visit his profile on LinkedIn.